See, I'm zoomed right close to it. But I'm in the forest path and walking right over food. See, where are we at right here? Can you see it? There it is. And here's another one growing. Just gotta dig around and look. Here's some more. Oh, I could survive the winter out here just off the mushrooms that I store. Some more growing in clusters up this way too. So many pretties. Here's some more coming up. Right in here. Oh, some more right here. Yeah, it's a saprophytic chemistry reaction that makes those turn into food. Looks like outdated puffballs. There's very overgrown honey. Oh yeah, there's some more right here in the leaf litter. It's everywhere. Look here. Ooh-wee. Oh, actually I wanted to check this out. Look how this tree stayed up. Birch is so powerful. Look at all the little realms in there. Little door. Then a little moss covered way with some treats for the way through here. Look how pretty. Oh, what a lovely place to be.